Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to use Moto gesture shortcuts on Motorola Razr 60. If you go to the Moto app, which by default is in the Moto folder, you will find this sidebar here, and you can go to gestures. When you go to gestures, you can find lots of different gestures that you can set up very easily. First one is quick launch. You can see, I'll try it out. When I double tap the top third of the back of my phone, it basically shows me if I did it gentle or hard. Yeah, and I should be able to click on settings here. Now select the tap strength required for it to work. I'll do gentle, and now I can select what it's supposed to do. So I'll do maybe take screenshot. Seems fun. Let's now double tap the back of the phone like that, and it did take a screenshot indeed. The next thing is the sidebar. You can enable a sidebar like that. Now it will show this tiny little icon here, and now when you slide towards the center of the screen, you can change the position. Okay, great, perfect. Yeah, as you can see, I can change its position, but it doesn't matter. Let's open an app. I can click on it in order to open it in a window, just like that, a tiny little window. I can resize it, I can minimize it, I can click on it, I can make it larger, smaller, I can put it on full screen. I could also click here, I believe. No, sorry. Okay, I can't. It doesn't matter. So as you can see, that's how it works. You can open apps in that way, and you can open any kind of app that you have, which is great. Now the next thing that you can do here is you can slide an app, you can drag an app to put it in split screen. You can put it on top or on the bottom of your screen. Let's put it on top of the screen. And now you'll see other apps that you can put on the bottom of your screen. So let's maybe do Gmail. Okay, yeah, I won't set it up now. But both are fully functional. As you can see, I can use both apps at the same time. Scroll in that one, calculate something in the other one. So yeah. Now the next thing is going to be quick capture, which allows you to flip your phone like that. As you can see, you can also change what it does when if it opens rear or front camera or auto. Now as you can see, it automatically opened the camera app, which is great. Fast flashlight by shaking your phone. But I think the oh yeah, it worked. So there it is, and there's lots of other ones. 3-finger screenshot, which lets you slide down with 3 fingers on your screen to take a screenshot. Oh no, sorry, press and hold with 3 fingers, I believe. Yes. Sorry. Now lift to unlock, which I love this feature, but you would have to enable face unlock, and then you just lift your phone and it automatically turns on without you needing to press the button. Flip-for-DND, which basically if someone calls you, you can flip your phone like that, and it will put the phone in do not disturb. It won't hang up. It will just ignore the call. It will continue ringing but in silent. And then approach to silence, which is also a great feature. Pick up to silence and swipe to split. I do like that feature a lot. You can see when I slide like that. Oh, maybe not necessarily from the edges of the screen, but like that. Yeah, let's try it out. Oh yeah, that's how you can use it. And these are all the Moto gesture shortcuts in the Moto app on Motorola Razr 60. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.